two psychological reasons why we plug to the cell phone are, the first of all, if you realize, it is somewhere you use it in order to fill breaks. You have a break, I have been observing myself कि मैं जब building में आता हूँ तो I will walk, so that habit I defeated long back. During walking I wouldn't use it, but when I come to the elevator and I have to go to the 6th floor, automatically हाथ अंदर जाता है और I start checking, so we try to fill our breaks. Okay, now why do we want to fill these breaks? If you try to analyze. And another time when people use it, okay, is which I have been observing, not in my case in all probability, but I have been observing when people are bored, then they will, that is the easiest thing to, you call a friend, the friend is not available or whatever, you can't go for a movie, this, that. So cell phone and a television are the two easiest access tools. So if you are jumping to a cell phone when you are bored, that means what is the cell phone doing, What is that psychological?
Keeping you active.
Keeping you active, okay.
Keeping you busy.
Busy, okay.
It's sedating you.
It's sedating you, or maybe exact opposite, maybe that it's possibly a,
Stimulating.
Yeah, it's possibly a mood buster, or buster, or whatever is the word, yeah. It improves your, mood elevator for a while, okay? Because what it's, human beings operate by, 4 primary chemicals, okay? The endorphins, the dopamine, the serotonin and the oxytocin, okay? So this serotonin is the chemical which is associated with a cell phone. The purpose of serotonin is, as he correctly told, it enjoys anything which offers quick gratification. Okay, anything that gives you instant gratification, ना आजकल सब instant का ज़माना है ना, instant loan चाहिए और क्या क्या है और instant में instant foods तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, yeah, instant coffee, instant money, ATM, yeah. Instant growth is a very common thing. Everybody wants to be, that get rich quick, not requiring to trudge your way up, just as soon as you can make it possible. So that instant has become a part and parcel of our life, yes or no? Everywhere, how deeply that instant has gone, my goodness. Currently, I mean, you look at it 20 years back, I think it must be 10% of what it is now, उतना सब कुछ हमको instant चाहिए. So this instant gratification, this serotonin plays a role, is what gets released, and it is owing to wanting more and more of serotonin and having more and more of serotonin कि we want that gratification, तो तुरंत कुछ तो है करने को, Serotonin is also the chemical which is depleted in case of a depressive, okay, because one of the best advices to give to a clinically depressed person is to ask him to do things where he can see immediate cause and effect. So if a depressive person is an accountant, okay, it's very difficult to go beyond depression, क्योंकि accounts अगर कुछ करता है तो उसका effect, उसका फायदा कंपनी में क्या है वो दिख नहीं पाता है. No, but if a depressive person is, say for example, a salesman and he closes deals फटाफट, immediately वो cause and effect दिखता है. Because cause and effect, or this thrill, is about serotonin, and that's what you get. So it is because of this pumped by this serotonin, or the habit for this more and more serotonin, that we are into this mood elevation, and we basically cling to the phone.